Hello students, this is a very special English lesson. I'm going to teach you to read a basic poem. Also, I'm going to teach you how to write a basic poem yourself. I love teaching poetry, and learning about poetry will help you improve your English speaking and writing abilities. So be sure to stay until the end of the video, because I will give you a quiz and some homework. Let's get started. So, what is a poem? It's an arrangement of words written or spoken. They usually rhyme. They are a great way to express your experiences, ideas, or emotions in an artful way. So, why do we write poetry? Because poetry is beautiful, and I want to share that beauty with you. Here is my poem. I wrote it. So, let's look at my poem. And I'll read it now. In the morning, when I'm alone, I like to watch the sun rise up. I play soft music on my phone. I drink fresh coffee from my cup. The sun is shining, fresh and bright. The sky outside is clear and blue. My mind is calm, my heart is light. Today will be a good day too. So this is a short poem, and I want to teach you about rhyme in poetry. So let's look at the last words of each line. Alone, alone. Does it rhyme with the word up? Alone, up? No. Rhyming words have a similar sound. So alone and up don't rhyme, but alone and phone do rhyme. Alone and phone have a similar sound, and up and cup have a similar sound. So this is the rhyme scheme or the rhyme pattern of this poem. This poem has different rhyming words. So we're going to call alone rhyme A, and up is rhyme B. And phone is A, and cup is B. Alone, up, phone, cup. This is our rhyme pattern or our rhyme scheme. And in the next part, it's very similar. Bright and blue don't rhyme, but bright rhymes with light and blue rhymes with two. So these are new words. We'll label them C, bright, and blue is D. Light is C, and two is D. So these are our rhyming patterns for this poem. Not all poems have to rhyme, but it's very nice when they do. It's something good to try. It's traditional. So this is our rhyme and our rhyming pattern. And also, in poems, we need a stanza. This poem has two stanzas or two parts. So a stanza is a part of a poem. This is part one, this is part two. Some poems have many stanzas, but this poem has only two. A stanza can be 2 lines long, but my stanzas are 4 lines. And you can write as many as you want, but a simple poem will be 1 or 2 stanzas. Also, in my poem, there are many images. There are many pictures of things. When you write a poem, you want to add some images. It says, I like to watch the sun rise up. The sun is an image. I play soft music on my phone. The phone is an image. I drink fresh coffee from my cup. Cup is an image. So when you write a poem, maybe you can put in some pictures of things. Also, when you finish adding your images, if you want to add some repeating words to your poem, do you see any repeating words in my poem? I think the word I repeats. I like to watch. I play music. I drink fresh coffee. I. And in other places too. My mind is calm. My heart is light. So repeating words are also beautiful in a poem. You don't have to repeat words, but they make the poem more lovely. So that is our images and our repeating words. So our images were sun and phone and cup. And there's one more thing a poem needs that this poem does not have. A poem needs a title. So everyone, what do you think? My poem has no title. What would be a good title for it? Please let me know in the comments what is a good title for this poem. And I'm very excited to see what you will write. So now we've looked at this poem, let's move on. Let's learn how to write your own poem. So we have looked at my poem, and now I want to teach you how to write your own poem. So when we write a poem, we want to start with the main idea, and the main idea can also be our title. So I want to choose an easy main idea for this poem. Let's go with summer. Summer is a great title, so I will write the word summer here. So if our title is summer, let's think about some images that go with summer. I think we all think about the sun in summer. So what rhymes with sun, everybody? Sun rhymes with ton, rhymes with one, rhymes with run. But I think I want to choose fun. Sun and fun can be my rhymes. But also, when it's hot outside, what do you want? I usually want to drink something cold. I want to drink soda or an icy drink. So my first line, I think, will be about drinking something cold. There we go. Cool soda can. Cool soda can is my first line. And second line, I want to end on that word sun. Cool soda can, hot summer sun. So we have the cool drink and the hot weather. But our next rhyming word, can and what rhymes with can? Tan and ran and man. So let's try the word plan. Hot summer sun. No special plan. Cool soda can, hot summer sun, no special plan, but we're having fun. So do you remember the rhyme scheme? Can and plan rhyme, and sun and fun rhyme. So we can mark our rhyme scheme A, B, can, plan, and sun, fun. And you might notice that at the end of some of my lines, I have commas, and at the end of the last line, I have a period. This is because when you write a poem, it's okay to be unstructured. It's okay to change the rules. So in my poem, I begin with capital letters, and I end with commas and a period, but you don't have to. You can break the rules of grammar and the rules of punctuation when you write a poem. So this is a how many stanza poem? It's a 1-stanza poem. And I think that all of you can definitely write a 1-stanza poem. So let's move on and try it. Now it's time for the homework and quiz. You can find the quiz in the description of this video. And for homework, I want you to try and write a basic poem. Please post the poem, your homework, in the comment section of this video. Good luck, and I am eager to read your poems. See you in the next video. Bye!